You know what today is? Today is episode 3. And once again, I'm at the shop before fucking faggoty ass Josh. Okay? This is some bullshit. I quit. He's gonna have to recast me. Sorry, guys, all 200 and some of y'all. Okay? But I'm fucking done.
Flashback. Alright guys, I just got to the shop so we can film our next vlog. Max isn't here yet, so you know what I figured. I might as well take care of the intro.
Meanwhile,
look who finally decided to show up. What's the plan, Stan?
Well, because I got here before you, I already kind of prepped in the intro that we were gonna be cutting a splitter out.
And is to get your bumper on?
No, what?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
No.
What do you mean?
No.
They want to see your bumper on.
Yeah, but we
the
can't
people
put
have
my bumper
spoken.
on. Yeah, no, we can't put my bumper on until I cut a splitter and then have it powder coated it and then install the splitter to the bumper and then I can put my bumper on.
Ah!
Because I don't want to put my bumper on.
There's not going to be any progress in this video.
There is. We're gonna.
You know what, guys? Already give us a thumbs down right now. Before you even finish watching the video, thumbs down. Just. So that's what Josh is gonna do with the whole day.
The whole day? It'll take like 45 minutes. Oh, fuck!
My whole day?
Fuck! I forgot the fucking tip. I was gonna bring a new tip.
My plan for the whole day is I just...
Oh, I got some news about that, actually. Good one, bro. Good one, bro.
Fuck. That's fucking 3-stage fucking professional paint job, dude.
so good.
Alright, my fucking plan is I just want to move this right back there, and then I'm leaving. And then I'm out of here, and then I gotta go to the fucking, I gotta go to a car show. So what's the ish, dude? You broke up with your lady?
No, oh, dude. No, but that can't be on film.
Oh yeah, it can. Oh! Trust me, that can be on film. That's gonna be on film. So what's up? You and your lady are the splits, dude? What did you find out? What happened here, dude?
Nothing. Just obviously she doesn't like you.
That's impossible. Everybody likes me.
Not her.
Fuck. Yeah, dude. No, I'm not recording anymore.
Are you really not?
No.
I don't fucking believe you.
Dude, what happened, dude? What do you mean?
She just doesn't like you, dude. And sometimes you gotta make a choice.
Don't. I know you didn't choose me. So what? You quit the show, dude?
Oh man.
Fuck.
What were you filming?
Yeah. So the story is Josh's lady friend just doesn't like me. So they're having issues because of that. Well, that sucks, dude. I'm sorry.
It's all good.
We can get you a hooker. Dude, what the fuck is taking you so long? Are you done yet?
Yeah, dude. Almost.
I don't see a splitter on there, dude.
Not yet.
It looks like a whole hunk of pile of junk, dude.
A whole hunk of pile of junk.
Whole hunk of pile of junk, dude. Look at all the work that goes into making these parts for these fuckers. You guys don't even appreciate this fucking faggot. You guys don't give this stupid fucking piece of shit any appreciation.
I know.
You know?
It hurts.
It's fucked up. Like, he takes enough verbal abuse from me. He doesn't need fucking rectal abuse from you guys. What's up, Dad?
Good morning. How you doing?
How you feeling?
Feeling alright.
You sound like shit.
I'm 99% sure this is too big for the amount of material I got left. So we gonna test it anyways.
Hey, it's alright, dude.
Josh, you know I don't speak Spanish.
Goddamn, dude!
I need to switch sheets.
Too much noise, dude. We're tech tips with Wes.
So what's interesting about these small block 302 motors is that there's actually only one spark plug within the whole engine itself. It's right here, super accessible. The engineers were finally thinking about us mechanics when they did this design. And what's really neat about it too is that it's actually direct injected right through this niplet right here. So now all you gotta do is take your plug wire, which actually has fuel running through the center of it as well, and it goes onto the end of your plug, and then you plug it right over here onto the end of your fuel line. Good to go.
You gonna cut this fucking thing or what?
Yeah, I had to change the fucking sheet. And somebody put all their fucking wheels and all their material in front of the sheet that I needed.
Those are your wheels.
I know. No. Unfortunately, the other sheet did not have enough material for this splitter.
Well, Josh didn't have the settings right, so look at that cut quality right there. That's nice.
The settings were fucking right.
You're a liar, dude.
I think we figured it out.
Yeah, so Josh broke.
Oh, what the fuck?
Josh broke
Fuck you.
Our the machine.
I quit, dude.
Good thing there's a car show today.
I'm not going. I figured out the solution so that we can save this video. I made this file a little bit more aggressive than my intention because Max was like talking about how it should be aggressive. So I'm going to change the file and make it how I wanted. Shut up. Make the file how I wanted, a little bit less aggressive, and replace the tip, and then I can recut it in the same exact spot and save the day.
All right, we're out of here, Josh. All right, Josh.
You guys have a good time. What are we doing here? All right, guys. I'm headed back to the shop now that I picked up the extra tips that I had. Hopefully, this takes care of the problem so that I can not only cut that lip out, but I also have other stuff that I need to cut. Just look at the difference. No wonder the machine was cutting like shit. Don't ever let Max tell you that I am not better than him at using the plasma. And in case you guys are fucking wondering, I think I'm zoomed in. Hold on, let me zoom out. Let me zoom out. Let me zoom out. I guess I'm not zoomed in at all. If you were wondering, Max and Wes, you guys here? No, they're not fucking here, because they're like, you know what, Josh? We're just gonna let you figure it out on your own. We're gonna let you do everything by yourself, because why would they help? You guys know what would be nice is if we had a section to sand. That'd be cool. Every time I have to sand parts, you know what I do? I just try to find an open area anywhere, sometimes outside, because Max always puts all his shit everywhere. Let me just give you guys an example. Oh, sick, could totally sand there, right? No, but Max just got all the shit on there. And if I move it, and I'm like, hey, I moved your stuff, he's gonna be like, why'd you move my shit? And then give me crap about it for like 20 minutes and then just be over it like usual. Look at this. Oh, sick, dude. Look, another place we could just totally sand stuff. Oh, what about right here? Cool. Stuff that's not going to be needed for a couple months, just put it right on a table that we could sand. Cool.
Hey, we're back!
I've been here. What are you talking about?
I don't know, none of us. We were fucking watching. We were looking at cars and shit, you know?
Fleek, look it, on fucking Fleek. I fixed it and need a new tip. And I already took videos showing the difference between the fucked up tips and my replacement ones.
All right, everybody down in the comment section, tell him how shitty his videos were when I wasn't here, because he fucking sucks. All right, guys, so Josh is showing me the footage he shot while we were at the car show, because we're trying to figure out if we have enough footage to end the vlog here, because we don't have too much to do today. And I just feel so bad that you guys are gonna have to watch this shit, because he is seriously looks like a robot and he's all monotone. He's like, so today.
This is the moment of truth. We're gonna see if the plasma works.
My name is Joshua Avery, and I am bilingual and fluent in 3 Spanish languages.
What the fuck?
So yeah, sorry guys. Maybe next vlog will be better.
Yeah,
episode
next vlog will be better.
Episode 4.
I'm very
bummed.
punctual.
The plasma wasn't working. Plasma wasn't working.
I'm rarely late. I have beautiful eyebrows.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Man.
so we're sorry we left you here with him all alone. Because all I know is I'm not even gonna watch the vlog because of how shitty his fucking videos are.
Whatever.
My name is Josh. I'm punctual.